All right, I want to give everyone a quick update on what I've got going on this week. Got a little bit done. We got some gravel down, started some framing on the shed over here. So been busy, but here's a little update of the gravel we got down. Keeping this dust down. It's been pretty dry here. Then shed wise, I started framing the inside of it. We got 2 bedrooms. We have a bedroom here, the closet. Then over here is going to be our 1 bathroom with a tub and a shower, vanity toilet. Then on this side is me and Misti's bedroom. We do a pocket door right here, save on some space. And then we have our closet. And then this is going to be her office. And I think we're going to put our washer here as well. We got one of those washer dryer combo things. It's great for electricity use, it's very efficient. So that's going to go there as well. So it's going to be tight, but it's just to get us going until we can get the construction going for our main house. This is going to be our living room. That door's going to go. And so, it's our living room. This is going to be the kitchen's going to go along these 2 walls. TV there, and then we'll have a couch here. And I'm still kind of debating on the door here. I may move it as well to get a little more couch space over there. So we shall see, but that's what I got going on right now. Still got some framing to put the walls all the way up to the rooftop, and insulation, electrical, plumbing, all kind of fun stuff going on the next few weeks. So that's it for now.